Good day, everyone. Today I will be discussing some sample problems about torsion. So, first problem is 1.75 kilonewton meter torque is applied to the solid cylinder shown. Determine A, the maximum shearing stress, B, the percent of the torque carried by inner 25 millimeter diameter core. So, this is the diameter. So, for the given na atay torque nga 1.75 kilonewton meter, convert na to siya to newton, equivalent to 1,750 newton meter. Then natay diameter out, which is 50 millimeter, which is equivalent to 0.05 meters. Then radius, outside radius, 25 millimeter is equal to 0.025 meter. Pagkuha sa 25, i-divide lang na nimo ang 50 by 2. So, and then inside diameter, which is equivalent to 25 millimeter, convert to meter is equal to 0.025. Then radius of inside is 12.5 millimeter, is equal to 0.0125 meters. For the solution, naatay maximum shearing stress is equal to T times C over J. So, equivalent to torque times radius over pi d port, 32. So, ipang substitute na to itong given. So, 1,750 times 0.025 over pi times 0.05 to the fourth over 32. So, naatay maximum shearing stress nga 71.30 times 10 to the 6th Pascal, or 71.30 megapascal. Next then, letter B. Find the percent of the torque carried. So, maximum shearing stress, divide na to siya 2. Para makakuha ta og 35.65 times 10 to the 6th Pascal. And then, since na naman tayo maximum shearing stress, we'll use the formula. 35.65 times 10 to the 6 is equal to T times 0.0125 over pi times 0.025 to the 4th over 32. Shift solve para makuha na to ang answer na 109.373 newton meter. So, since na naman tayo torque, na-solve na to sa to ang inside diameter, i-divide na to ni siya sa given torque na applied, which is 1,750 newton. So, 109.373 newton meter over 1,750 newton meter, which will be equivalent to 0.06249 times 100%. I-times ito siya sa 100%, na atay makuha ng percent sa torque, which is equivalent to 6.25. Muna na siya. So, mauna siya torque na ginakarry sa inside diameter sa 25 mm, which is 6.25%. Next, A. Determine the maximum shearing stress caused by a 40 kilopound inch torque in the 3-inch diameter solid aluminum shaft shown. B. Solve part A, assuming that the solid shaft has been replaced by a hollow shaft of the same outer diameter of a 1-inch inner diameter. So, natong diagram. 4-inch length. Uh, Atong solid shaft na aluminum na high diameter which is 3 inches. Torque din ito. So for the given na atay 40 kilo-pound inch, convert ito siya into pound inch which is 40,000. Diameter which is 3 inch, then inner diameter na 1 inch. For the solution, we will use the solid shaft formula, which is maximum shearing stress is equal to 16 times torque over pi d cube. Substitute rin na to atong mga given, which is 16 times 40,000 over pi times 3 cube. We will have a answer of 7,545.123 psi, which is also equivalent to 7.55 ksi. Next, letter B. So we will assume na ang shaft is hollow. So for this, we will use the formula of a hollow shaft. Maximum shearing stress is equal to 16 times torque times diameter over pi times outside diameter to the fourth minus inside diameter to the fourth. So natay solution. Substitute the given 16 times 40,000 times 3 over pi times 3 to the fourth minus 1 to the fourth. So natay answer nga 7,639.437 psi. Convert na siya sa KSI by dividing to 1,000. Natay maximum shear stress nga 7.64 KSI. Moro to. That's all. Thank you.